people need something that's less complex, more accessible.
We need an open internet for mobile device. If the costs are lower and the open internet is out there, I think then you will reach the mass consumer in the mass market, and this will give a huge boom for mobile computing.
Innovation comes from tinkering, from people having a specific need and then trying to build something on it, and then they throw it in open source or they build company upon it. I mean, when there is a new market, people always think of killer applications. So the one thing that people that will convince people to buy a device or to buy a platform. Now, what we've seen in these last years is that developments of software or developments of concepts of using stuff was accelerated a lot by software and open source. So when you have open source software, people can take it and can build their own stuff. Everybody makes his own killer application. So Firefox is a killer application for a lot of people, but it's for very different reasons. They have these plugins, and one particular plugin makes that Firefox is fantastic for this individual, and for somebody else it's this other plugin.
And I think we definitely need to merge mobile internet into the internet today. A portal is for the short term very good for the provider. They can make a good revenue out of it, but in the long term we definitely need more.
The latest browser technology used in smartphones, in Nokia smartphones, but also provided by separate developers like Opera. They are one kind of browser for all purposes. You can have one browser for all. If you do just simple web browsing, if you use it for web-based email, if you use it for YouTube, Flash-free, Yoast.com in the near future.
Like applications like eBay, you know, like stock markets, everything that's out there is for the open internet. And as soon as you create a platform, you minimize the advantage of the open internet.
An open platform is extremely important if something wants to be a success, and also if you want other parties to join the ecosystem. As long as only one party is involved in developing it and making the revenues, the other ones will try to do the same thing. And then you get different standards, different kind of operating system, different kind of purposes.
We definitely need open platforms on mobile devices.